How to enable live captions on Android 12? Android 12 introduced a ton of new features to the mobile operating system, some of which made a big difference in how users interacted with their devices. One such feature is called live captions, and it's one of those features you had no idea you needed until you used it. What is live caption? Simply put, it captions all audio that your device plays for better accessibility. Now, not every applications work with live captions. For example, the built-in recorder app does not, whereas the YouTube app does. What remarkable about live caption is how accurate it is, and even better, it works whether the video is on mute or not. The implications of that should be obvious. If you have a meeting you need to attend, you can mute it and read whatever is being said to not disturb anyone around you. Of course, the main purpose of live captions is to make it easier for those with hearing problems to be able to consume the content they want without having to jump through unnecessary hopes. I will show you how easy it to is to enable disable live captions on Android 12. In fact, I am going to show you two methods for doing so. To use live captions, you will only need a device running Android 12 or later. How to enable live captions from the volume button? The first and easiest methods of enabling live captions is to tap either the volume up or volume down button. When you do, you will see the live caption icon below the volume sliders with a line through it, figure 1. If you tap the live captions icon, the line will disappear, indicating it is now enabled, figure 2. If you then open any app with the audio, the live captions will appear on the screen, figure 3. If you want to disable live captions, just reverse the process by tapping the volume up or down button and tapping the live captions icon. How to enable live caption from the quick tiles? The next methods of enabling live captions require you to add a new tile to the quick tiles sections of the notification sheet. I find this method a bit easier because you don't have a mess with the volume button. First, you must add the live captions tiles. To do that, pull the notifications shade down twice and tap the pencil icon, figure 4. Drag the live captions quick tile button into the top portion of the notification shade, and then once you have it where you like it, tap the left pointing arrow at the top left corner of the display. Now that the live captions quick the tiles has been added, you can easily disable the features by dragging down the notification sheet twice and then tapping its quick tiles, figure 6.